forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
Thanks, Tyler, for that update. Just goes to show, again, slick travel. Even the roads that may look like they're just wet, we're likely still dealing with some ice that's on them, or at least patchy. So be very careful this morning. Snow still flying across most of the area, though it has really started to kind of fizzle to mainly just flurries across central Kentucky. Back in Tyler's shot there, wasn't seeing any. If there are still flurries, they're so fine. Eastern Kentucky, though, is primarily where we still have the snow showers going. We're going to give you a quick little tour of some cameras. Our home view down in Richmond this morning, it was really coming down here within the last 15 minutes. Big flakes again. Now the snow has slacked off, but still very light snow flying over there. The bypass 52 on the way to Estill County is looking mainly just wet. But again, as we talked about, some slick spots, still a possibility. Secondary roads, likely a different story, especially those neighborhoods and side streets. Woodford County, I-64 camera near Midway. Both directions here are looking fine right now. Again, mainly wet, but still could be some black ice that's out there because temperatures are way below freezing, even with the salt that's been on the road. Now look at the difference. We go from Woodford County on 64, then we go east on 64, and now we're all the way over in Rowan County just before you get to Moorhead, and look at the different scene. You'll notice overcast, snowing still at a moderate clip over there. 13 in Lexington now, 14 in Winchester, 15 as you work your way over into portions of Rowan County and Moorhead and also West Liberty. But now that we factor in the wind chills are in the single digits this morning. Watch the satellite and radar image. See how the snow showers do start decreasing in coverage over the last little bit. It's going to likely take a good part of the day before things totally shut off in eastern Kentucky because of that upslope wind out of the northwest will likely squeeze out any moisture in the form of some flurries and snow showers over there even into the early afternoon. Give you a quick little update here on the current river levels. You'll notice we're seeing less and less of the orange and the reds. That means minor or moderate flood stage at these river gauges. We like to see that. We want them to go down, but still some minor flooding along the Kentucky River down here as you get through portions of Woodford, Jessamine, and over into the northern part of Madison County there. Over in Frankfort, though, the Kentucky River still a moderate flood stage. Improvement big time down at the Cumberland River in Barberville. It is in good condition. It means that it's below flood stage now. We go into the afternoon, again, mostly cloudy as we head overnight, partly cloudy, and it gets cold. What you see, our 7-day forecast, there is light at the end of the tunnel, and it's coming quicker than you may think. Snow showers taper off mainly this morning, upper teens to low 20s for highs. Tomorrow, up near 30, partly cloudy. Saturday, above freezing. We could be even upper 30s in spots there on Saturday. Sunday, even warmer. Low 40s. I'll move out of the way to reveal the light at the end of the tunnel. 50s in the next week, even with that coming with a chance for maybe some rain showers. That doesn't look too heavy. We'll keep an eye on it, but at least temperatures are getting warmer into next week. Stick around. We're back after the break.